In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Rebtel app notifications. If you're getting a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to stop them, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, we need to access Rebtel app info page. For that, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option called manage apps. Here, if you don't see manage apps, you should see all apps. Tap on it to list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, now you're on the app info page. Head to permissions section. You can see permissions is here, and under permissions you should see notifications. Currently, you can see all these notifications are turned on. To disable all these notifications, just toggle off show notifications, and this will stop these notifications permanently unless you toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop Rebtel app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.